all doing? Right, so bear with. It's cold and snowy out. Hey, is that another vlog? It's fucking hell, man. The locks were frozen. Took me ages to get in this morning. Drove through the snow to get here. I can't see me doing a whole lot of anything, but we can but try, can't we? So I'm gonna flip you around. Hold on. Bear with. Here we go. I'm gonna make a brew. Ground up some beans. Got the old AeroPress on the Ralfy Customs mug. Let's try and do this one-handed. So, yeah. Got all of them in there. Kettle's just boiling. I'm not going to manage it one-handed because I need to pull the plunger and all that shit. But make a brew. First things first, make a brew. We are British, you know. Even though I'm having coffee. When all else fails. Oi. Fucking hell, I'm wrecking the joint. So, scrap that. I'll do that off camera. Oh, fuck it, I've made it. Let's do it. So I'm going to make a brew. So, coffee's ground. Into the AeroPress, a little bit more. Yeah. Filter goes in the mug. A little bit of water. A lot of bit of water. What I thought I'd do today is do some organisation. I was supposed to be having an injection in my shoulder. I've got a rotator cuff injury on my shoulder. And top tip, don't fucking do that. Don't injure your shoulder, bastard. I've been in agony for months, like toothache down your arm. Wakes you up in the night. But that's been postponed, so I've come in, even though I wasn't planning on coming in. And a few bits and bobs, as we call them. So let's get the coffee brewed and we'll go from there. That's about there. There'll be some fucking clean up on fucking aisle 6, Cubbit. Clean up on aisle 6. There we go. You spoof sorted. So let's just grab some paper. Give myself a wipe down. Right, you shouts out time is D&G Customs. Done it. I hope it's working well for you. Outlaw Edge as always. ID and Arco. Let's get this on. I've got some. We've managed. The genius that owns this bike has managed to come up with a solution for mounting forward controls about here off the engine mounting plate that's buried in there, because you don't want them here. We don't want to change this, and he's come up with a 3-point mount solution that involves lathe work and some flame cutting, which is great stuff. So we're going to get on that. We're going to get that on. We're going to get bits for this have finally arrived. There's some powder coating being done. That'll be done by the weekend. This is going on that frame jig over there. Later today or in the morning. And this is getting cleared. I'm sorting that shit out this morning because he's been doing me head in. So that's what we've got planned. So it's going to be a busy few days. Just get a good background for you. Yeah, fucking come on. There you go. So it's going to be a busy few days. You shout out, stay safe, stay warm. Like I say, big shout out to D&G Customs. Big shout out to Outlaw Edge. Big shout out to Double Boost. Go and check out Geordie John the Bastard on Double Boost, man. I can't do the accent. And have a wonderful, wonderful fucking week. Yeah? Catch up in a bit with some progress of work, I guess. We'll see how we get on. It's going to be a weird week with snow and shoulders and shit. Innit? See you later.